Hello everyone, welcome back to the Azure Storage Services tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate how we create our Blob account to Azure, and we will see how we upload a Blob file in Azure. So for that one, let's go back to the Azure portal. So here you can see I'm on the Azure portal, and here you can see like in the previous video where we created our storage account and the resource group. So now before proceeding with this video, I recommend please watch previous video of this course. So now like if we have to create our blob storage, like we have to upload any file into the blob. So what we have to do, we have to go into the one storage account. So if I will go on the storage account, and here you can see it contain all the information through that one, like we created our storage account. Now for creating for uploading a blob file, what we have to do, we have to create a one container. So now if you want to create a container, here you can see here it is there is a one tab called container. So once you will click on this container, like this the default log file which we are having. So for creating our for uploading our blob file, what we have to do, we have to create a container. So now if you will click on this container, and you have to give your container name. So now here I am giving blob, and all letters should be the small. So blob, and I am saying container. And now here the access level is the private, and if you will see on the advanced, here we will go with the default one, as of now it's not needed. So now after giving the name, if you will click on this create, so what it will do, it will create a one container for us, and you can see the container, and the access level is the private here, and the lease state is available. Now if you will click on three dotted, so here you can see if you want to delete it, you can see the container properties and other things. Now if I have to upload the file as a blob storage, what we have to do, I have to let's click on this our container, and once you will click on this one, you can see here one upload. So once I'll click on this one, from here what we have to do, we have to select the file. So once I will select this file, and when I will click on this upload, so here you can see our file is uploaded successfully. And now let's close this one, and if you will close here, you can see our file is uploaded here. So that is basically we have uploaded the blob storage file, and here you can see this is the access tier, means hot, means if the access tier is hot, means it is the file which is frequently will be in the use, and it contain the modified date, it contain the blob type, size, and everything. If you want to delete it, you can delete from here. If you want to download, you can download. And apart from that, if you want to upload any another blob, that also you can do from here. So for uploading that one, let's click on this upload, and from there if you will click on this one, you can see previously we have uploaded one image, now we are uploading one data. So once I will select this one, here you can see there is one checkbox, that is the override if file already exists. So in our case file not exists. So now after this one, if I will click on this upload, what will happen, this file will be uploaded, and we can see from here it is giving the access, and here we can see the file is uploaded. So this is the way basically we upload the blob data, and that is the way of creating a blob storage account. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.